Welcome to the Fusion Storm Whiteboard Series, where we turn digital confusion into growth clarity. Today we're tackling a question that I hear all the time. Why isn't my website converting? You're getting traffic. Maybe you've invested in SEO, social or paid ads, but no one's buying. Now let's look to fix that. Most conversion problems come down to these three core issues: UX, SEO, and CRO. Now let's break them down. UX is user experience. It's about how your website feels. If it's slow, cluttered, or hard to navigate, users won't wait around. Is your call to action visible above the fold? Does your mobile site work flawlessly? Can a visitor instantly tell what you offer and who it's for? If not, you've already lost them. First impressions online are everything. Next up is search engine optimization. Are you attracting the right people? Now here's the truth. Not all traffic is good traffic. If your SEO is bringing in people who aren't ready to buy, or worse, not even looking for what you actually offer, no amount of UX is going to help. SEO should target intent, not just clicks. And next is CRO, your conversion rate optimization, which is about strategy. Most businesses slap up a page and they just hope that it's going to work. No testing, no user data, no persuasive copy. At Fusion Storm, we use things like heat maps, A/B testing, and behavioral analytics to turn browsers into buyers. So, if your site's not converting, start with your UX, fix your SEO intent, and stop guessing with CRO. Want to shortcut the learning curve? Well, grab a free website conversion checklist or book a strategy call in the link below. This is Fusion Storm, and we're here to make your website work.